How to start an online business from scratch, that's what we are talking about in this video. Now if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you'll be notified about new videos. Let's dive in. If you want to know how to start an online business from scratch, keep watching this video because I will tell you a few steps you can take. Step number 1 is to choose a business model. When learning how to build an online business from scratch, it helps to know about some tried and tested online business models. Here are 6 types of online businesses that you may want to think about. The first is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products and services online for other businesses and receive a commission for each sale you make. This is a good way to make passive income. The second is freelancing. Freelancing is when you provide a service to other individuals and businesses using a skill that you have, such as advertising, writing, designing, programming, or something like social media skills. The third is coaching and consulting. You can become a coach or a consultant and sell your expertise, advice, and guidance online using a simple website. The fourth is selling information products. You can create, package, and sell your knowledge. You can create information products in different formats such as ebooks, worksheets, templates, and online courses with a simple website. The fifth is selling software as a service. You can create a piece of software or application and charge users a recurring subscription fee to use the program. And the sixth business model is e-commerce. This is where you use a service like Shopify to set up a website and sell physical products online. Step number 2 is to identify your target customer. You need to get clear on your target customer for your product or service. In other words, who are the people you are going to serve? This step is absolutely vital. When you have carefully defined your target market, you can then offer a product to that target market. So, when choosing a target audience, some questions to ask include: what age range is my target customer? Are they male or female or both? These questions will give you greater clarity over exactly who your target audience is for the business model that you have. Step number 3 is to find a problem to solve in the market. When learning how to start an online business, it's important to note one key thing: all businesses solve a problem of some kind or offer a solution. Here is something important for you to think about. The bigger the problem you can solve, and the better you solve it, the more money people are willing to pay. Now if you're interested in starting your own online business, I recommend you check out the Internet Business School. Make sure you go and click the link in the description box below right now. It takes you through to their website. They have online training courses that teach you everything you need to do to start your own business, so make sure you check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and give the video a like, that motivates me to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.